Here I have VIVO V20 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to check your IMEI number and serial number on this device. So the first method, you just have to open phone application, open keypad, and enter the secret code, which is *#06#, and this code will display your IMEI 1, IMEI 2, and also your serial number. And then second method, you have to open settings, then go to the about phone section, and here you can find all of these informations too. Here you have your IMEI 1, IMEI 2, and also in model and hardware you can find your serial number. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.